Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for Learning General Knowledge. Today let's learn about evolution of Buddhism and Jainism. I will be discussing all important points in the exam point of view. Let's start. In post-Vedic period, condition of Shudras becomes worst, which led to evolution of Buddhism and Jainism. Gautama Buddha and Mahavira both challenges the authority of Brahmanas because in the post-Vedic period, condition of Shudras becomes worst and that led to the evolution of Buddhism and Jainism. Gautama Buddha and Mahavira, they challenges the authority of Brahmanas and next let's see about Buddhism. Siddhartha Gautama was born in 563 BC. So, Gautama Buddha's original name was Siddhartha Gautama and he was born in 563 BC at Lumbini. The place where he born was Lumbini and Lumbini was in Nepal. Lumbini is a place in Nepal. His mother's name was Mahamaya. He got enlightenment at the age of 35. So he got enlightenment at the age of 35 at Bodh Gaya. The place from where he got enlightenment means Bodh Gaya under Peepal tree. He delivered his first speech at Sarnath. So, where he delivered his first speech, Sarnath. 5 disciples, this is not discipline, this is disciples. His first 5 disciples were Asaji, Moggallana, Upali, Sariputta and Ananda. They were first 5 disciples of Gautama Buddha. They are important 5 disciples of Gautama Buddha. And he died at the age of 80 in 483 BC. So he died in the year 483 BC at Kushinagar. Kushinagar is the place where Gautama Buddha died. Followers of Buddha have 2 categories, Upasakas and Bhikshus. Upasakas and Bhikshus are the 2 categories of Buddhism. 3 vows of Buddhism are Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha, these are the 3 vows of Buddhism. And Buddhist literature is written in Pali. Pali is a language used by the common people at that time. So, Buddhist literature is written in Pali. Shuddha Pidaka, Vinaya Pidaka and Abhidhamma Pidaka are known as Tripitakas of Buddhism. So, Shuddha Pidaka, Vinaya Pidaka and Abhidhamma Pidaka are known as Tripitakas of Buddhism. Tripitakas are holy books of Buddhism. So, Tripitakas are nothing but Tripitakas are holy books of Buddhism. The Tripitakas are Shuddha Pidaka, Vinaya Pidaka and Abhidhamma Pidaka. 3 sects of Buddhism are Hinayana, Mahayana and Vajrayana. Six Buddhist councils have been convened here is a short description. First Buddhist council. So, first Buddhist council was in the year 400 BC. That was held soon after the death of Buddha around 400 BC. So, first Buddhist council was just after the death of Buddha, and it was held by Magadha king Ajatashatru. So, it was held by Ajatashatru, and the place is Rajagriha. Rajagriha is a place in Bihar. So, first Buddhist council held in Rajagriha. Objective was to preserve the Buddha's sayings and monastic rules. So, Shuddha Pitaka includes the Buddha's sayings and Vinaya Pitaka includes monastic rules. That means rules to be followed by the Buddhist monks and nuns in a monastery. That included in the Vinaya Pitaka, and Buddha's sayings included in Shuddha Pitaka. According to some sources, the Abhidhamma Pitaka or its Matya was also included. Matya is a list of classifications of Dhammas, variously translated ideas, philosophies, etc. Second Buddhist Council, it was in 4th century. Held about 100 years after the Buddha's demise in 383 BC. So, Buddha's death was in 483 BC, and second council held after the 100 years after the Buddha's death. It was in 383 BC, held at Vaishali under the presidentship of Sabhagami. So, the president of that council was Sabhagami, and the place where it held is Vaishali. Convened by King Kalashoka. So, second Buddhist council was convened by King Kalashoka, and president was Sabhagami in a place named Vaishali. Objective was to settle a dispute on Vinaya Pitaka, the code of discipline. So, the second council was, its objective was to settle the dispute on Vinaya Pitaka. Vinaya Pitaka is a code of discipline. Third Buddhist Council. Third Buddhist Council, it was in 247 BC, held at Padaliputra under the patronage of King Ashoka. So, third Buddhist Council was in the year 247 BC, held at Padaliputra. Padaliputra also is in Bihar. It was under the patronage of King Ashoka and under the presidency of Moggaliputta Tissa. So, the president for the third council was Moggaliputta Tissa. Sent Buddhist missionaries to other countries. Objective was to purify the Buddhist movement from opportunistic factions. So, its objective was to purify the Buddhist movement from opportunist factions. Origin of Theravada school. Theravada school is Buddhism's oldest existing school. It formed during the third Buddhist council. And fourth Buddhist council, it was in 1st century. In 72 AD, the fourth Buddhist council was held at Kundalwana, and the place where the fourth Buddhist council held, that is Kundalwana, that is in Kashmir. It was in 72 AD under the patronage of Kushan king Kanishka. Kanishka is a famous king of Kushana dynasty, and so this fourth Buddhist council was under the patronage of Kanishka, and he was the great follower of Buddhism. and the president of his council was Vasumitra. And the president was Vasumitra. So, for the fourth Buddhist council, the patron was Kanishka and president was Vasumitra. And it was in 72 AD in Kashmir. That means correct place is Kundalwana. Kundalwana in Kashmir. This council distinctly divided Buddhism into two sects, that is Mahayana and Hinayan. These are the two important divisions of Buddhism, Mahayana and Hinayan. Kanishka's council translated Abhidhamma texts from Prakrit to Sanskrit. So Prakrit is an olden ancient language. Prakrit is an ancient language that Kanishka's council translated. This is not Abhidharma, this is Abhidhamma. So Abhidhamma text from Prakrit language to Sanskrit language. So that's all about today's topic. Thanks for watching. As this is a vast topic, I divide it into two parts, and second part I will be uploading soon. Watch the second part also. Then you will get a complete idea. If you like the video, like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.